Hi guys, my name is Will and I've made a little video for you about my fantastic piece of German machinery here. In this video you get to see this car start up for the first time in over 20 years. The car is a 1961 Mercedes 220S, also known as a Heckfloss thanks to its fintails. Heckfloss means fintails in German. The car has a 2.2 litre straight six petrol engine under the bonnet. I bought the car about a month and a half ago from a guy just down the road from where I live in France. He bought it about 20 or 30 years ago as a restoration project, but he'd never done anything with it. Thankfully he'd kept it in a nice dry barn, so it's got relatively little rust on it and it's overall good condition, interior and exterior. The only thing he'd done to the car is remove the original engine and replace it with a more recent, so a 1968 engine out of a 280S something or other. So a slightly larger engine, a 2.8 litre. Initially I was going to keep that engine because, yeah, you know, extra 600cc, more power, it sounded good to me. But after some discussion, I decided to remove the 2.8 litre engine from there because it's never been hooked up anyway. The only thing that was hooked up was the prop shaft, and rebuild the original engine, which I did have to hand, thankfully, because it was sold with the car along with all its parts and accessories, and put the 2.2 litre original engine back in the car. And see if we can get it fired up, which we did thanks to a lot of help from my dad and his amazing mechanical skills. There was a lot of maybes, and this should work, and we hope that'll work, and the timing should be about there, the ignition should be right about there, because we didn't have a workshop manual, and none of us are professional mechanics. My dad's got quite a lot of experience, I've got some. But yeah, as I say, you get to see this car start up in this video. We didn't bother putting the exhaust pipe on, so trust me, it sounds absolutely marvellous. Okay guys, let's get to it. Interior is looking pretty good, quite pleased with that. Very little work doing the interior, and listen to this, check out this. I mean, these panels are like tank armor.
Okay, go.
Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about the mediocre video quality. I promise for the following videos there will be more videos of this car, and for the following videos I will acquire some better equipment for filming, like a tripod and a little GoPro camera or something, because all I've got at the moment is a couple of ancient phones, one of which I'm talking to you on now, and another one I use for doing time lapses, and I just kind of have to balance them on a shelf or something like that so they film. But I hope you enjoyed that. What does it YouTubers say? Oh yeah, like, share and subscribe. Yeah, see you soon guys, bye.